Um, as you all know, this is gonna be our day 8 of the testing out of 9 days in total testing the strategy. If you are watching us on YouTube replay, please subscribe, smash that thumbs up button. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to use the comments box. And if you are watching me live, use the live chat. A quick disclaimer before we start: this is a highly dangerous strategy. If you are new to my channel, I usually test every 9 days. I do 9 days of testing of a strategy suggested to me by some of my viewers, or if I see something over YouTube or over the internet, I find joy and fun in testing those. So unfortunately, the most popular strategy among binary options traders are the most dangerous, unfortunately. So while I'm testing the strategies, I'm trying to add more layers of risk management, money management, more layers of confluence to try at least to limit the risks and increase the win rate as much as possible. Okay. Also, here a word of caution. Unfortunately, as well, the vast majority of YouTubers who teach binary options or show binary options strategies, most of them, the vast majority of them, are from a certain area of the world. You can know that by their accent. Um, I think this isn't a coincidence. And most of the strategies they teach, they claim it's a strategy that doesn't lose, and it's a 90% win rate strategy, 95% win rate strategy, which is bullshit. Okay, it's complete rubbish. Their strategies suck. These people are there to suck you into the system and make money out of your losses. Okay, they might be motivated by some organization, something, I don't know what. But be very careful when you see such a claim. 90% titles claiming, YouTube titles, the only strategy you need to win all the time. That's impossible, guys. Get over it. You will not win all the time. You will have losing days. That's part of the game. The most important thing is to end your week and end your month in profit. Okay? That being said, let's jump right into the strategy and explain how it works. First, let me show you this Excel sheet, as you should have this Excel sheet by your side all the time. The strategy involves also martingale. So, the strategy consists of trades, four trading cycles. Your initial trading amount is $1. If you win, you stick to trading $1. Whenever you lose, you double the amount to your next trade amount. If you win, you go back to $1. If you lose, you go to the third trade amount. If you win, you go back to 1. If you lose, you go to the fourth trading amount. Now, this is designed in a way that whenever you win, you will be in net profit, in this case 2.9, and you will recover your three previous losses. So this is what martingale is about. When you lose, you add on your next trade amount for you to recover plus make some profits. Now the fifth trade over here is completely optional. In case you have a balance below $500 and you lost those four, stop trading. Stop trading and come back later on, maybe the same day after you take a break or the following day. If you have a minimum balance of $500, that fifth trade over here is safe to take, as your total loss, in case this one as well was a loss, will be $50, which is 10% of your minimum $500 balance, which is relatively easy to recover. Okay. That being said, I'll be using $100 balance. If you've been watching me for some time, I always stress test the strategy. So I want to put um, this technique, so to speak, under heavy pressure to see the final results after 9 days. If under heavy pressure, strategy is profitable, that means if you have a higher balance, higher buying power, good to go. So this is the logic behind how I test the strategy. Now, let me show you this table over here. So we've been testing this thing for 7 days. This is day 8 as we speak. So we had 2 winning days, 2 ties, 2 days. We ended the strategy with the trading day with a tie and 3 losses. We still have 2 days to go, today and tomorrow. Also, you should set profit and take profit and stop loss goals. So for a $500 account, you should set a $25 take profit per session and a $25 stop loss per session. So this is your take profit and this is your stop loss. Whenever you reach that amount in profit, you stop trading. And whenever you reach this amount in loss, you stop trading. Right? So today, my goal, since my balance is only 125 is a bit way too much. My goal is gonna be to reach $20 or 20%, since I'll be using $100 capital. So once I reach this amount, I will stop. Now, from the losing side, I will not stop. I will shoot for a $50 stop loss, just in this case, because I'm stress testing the strategy. Okay, hope this makes sense and it's clear. Now, let's set up the chart and explain the strategy. I've added a few layers of technical analysis for us to increase our win rate a little bit. So the first thing you need is a 30 seconds chart. You go to the charts tab over here, 30 seconds. Always enable the timer because you will need to check the expiry or the remaining time of the candle. I'll enable auto scroll for today because we'll be doing some technical analysis. Second, you need a 5 seconds expiry time for your trade, which you can set up over here. You click here once, and you can change the expiry here as you like. So for this strategy, it's 5 seconds. And set up your initial trade amount to 1 as per the Excel sheet. Next, you should add uh, pairs over here to your favorites. However, you should shoot for pairs having more than 90% payout or ROI, because if you trade on anything below 90%, martingale system will not work. It will lose you money. You will not be making any money. All right. So let's add as many high payout pairs as we can find. Minimum 90%. Now, just to give you an observation for the past 7 days, I noticed that maybe an increase. Why my expiry time is 30 seconds? Let me change that to 5 seconds. So I noticed that an increase in expiry time to 10 seconds can eliminate 4 to 5 losses per session, which is fantastic. Okay. Now I will stick to the original expiry time as it is advertised all over the place. 5 seconds strategy is the best, and so far and so forth. So I'll stick to that for now. Now let's set up the indicator that we need. The only indicator is the 200 simple moving average. So you go to the indicators tab, you click on moving average once, you click on the pen to edit, and you change the period to 200. Styles and thickness is completely up to you. So let me explain the strategy. The strategy consists of the following rules. You wait for, let me zoom in a little bit. You wait for a new candle to open. If the first 5 seconds are green, you go for a 5 seconds buy position. So this is to the upside. Now, if the first 5 seconds are red, you go for a 5 seconds sell position. Okay, this is the whole strategy as it is shown everywhere. However, I will add a few levels of confluence. So we added the 200 period moving average, which actually smoothes out the last 200 candles direction, so to speak, or price data. So whenever the price is above the 200 moving average, that means your pair is in an uptrend. As you can see over here, it's in an uptrend. So in this case, you only wait for green 5 seconds and take only buy positions. That way you will have the momentum of the market makers, the players who are moving this pair. You will have the momentum of these guys behind you, because trading against the trend is always a negative. It's always against you. Conversely, when you see something trading below the 200 moving average, like in this case, for example, so you know that the market makers are pushing this thing down. You wait for a red to happen at the first 5 seconds, and you go for sell positions for 5 seconds expiry. Now, along the way, while I'm trading, I will add a few more technical analysis procedures you can put in place to even give you a little bit more of an edge as well. So the 200 isn't enough on its own. You need to add a few things more. We will see that while trading. So let's begin. Let's see. So this is a beautifully pushing to the upside. However, it's going sideways a little bit, so I'll avoid it. 80% payout. I will remove this. Okay, this is nice. Powerful drop. So I will wait for red first 5 seconds of a new opening of the next bar. Okay, so let's see. Okay, and it will open now. Beautiful. It's red. 28, 27, 26. We go for the sell. Pull back on us, and the payout changed. The payout changed. So we increase the amount to 2.3 trading amount as per the Excel, and look for another pair. 87%, it's a no. USD CHF OTC, we have a decent momentum to the upside. So we have first 5 seconds in green. We have a win. So whenever you win, You go back to your initial amount of $1 and let's wait for next bar open. It's red, so we don't do anything. We wait for the next bar open. If you are watching us on YouTube replay, please subscribe, smash that thumbs up button, and if you have any questions, we have green, we go for a buy. I'm a bit late, no, it's perfect. If you have any questions, use the comment box. That's a win. Now, if the price comes back to this area, your buys will become even better because you have a support line over here. Buyers kicked in from this area. Look at here as well. Okay, so this is how you start adding up a few levels of confluence. Let's see if we get green on the next bar. We have green, 27, 26, 25. Nope, it's a red. We don't do anything. It's coming closer to our zone and closer to the 200 simple moving average. The moving average itself is like a strong rejection zone. Consider the line as a zone, not the line itself. Okay, we have green over here. I was late. I won't take the trade. A 10 seconds trade would have been a win on this one if I wasn't late. So you see, the sellers are slowing down. The size, the candle's size is becoming smaller and smaller. We have red here, so we don't do anything. We wait for the next bar open. Let's see if we can get green. Gap down. I need green. Beautiful green. Go for a buy. That's a loss. A 10-second trade would have been a win. So let's increase the amount to 2.3. We have red, green, go for a buy. We have a win. We go back to $1. We have a gap down. Give me green. Give me green. Come on. Nope. So we don't do anything. Rejecting from this zone. We will wait for the next opening, next candle open. Beautiful gap. Give me green. Give me green. Nope. So we don't trade. Now, since this is breaching the 200 and the sellers are making a huge, powerful run, This might be reversing. So we change the pair. See? Simple. So let's find something else. This is beautiful to the upside. Let me see. Okay, so we have lots of buyer's momentum. This is some sort of a retracement. So wait for greens. Nope, we have red, green, green, and we go for a buy. Pull back on us. So we increase the amount to 2.3 seconds, $3, 2.3. And we wait for the next green to show us if we can take a trade or not. We have green, green, go for a buy. That's the win. All right. So we go back to $1. We are already 4.28% up in profit. Let's see. We have red, red. So we don't trade. Let's see the next bar. Fibonacci lovers. This is reaching the 50% zone. We have green. Green, we go for a buy. Massive pullback. Oop, it's a refund. However, at 10-second trade would have been a win. So when you have a refund, you stick to your $1 amount. Don't change amounts. Since you got your money refunded in full. Gap up. Green. 26, 25. We go for a buy. Pull back. Have a loss. So we go back to 2.3 trading amount. Two back-to-back bottoming tail bars would be nice over here. Okay, so also in this case, we have a massive push from the sellers. When you see your retracement happening violently like this, you know a retracement can be small red candles, a little bit of green, huge red, red like this. If your retracement is gradually happening, slowly, the potential of trend continuation is high. However, when you have strong sellers, when you see that retracement happening, most probably this thing is going to go down for a reversal. Okay, it might be a short term or a long term reversal. Okay, so since we are here in a strong demand area, I keep on trading. We had a loss on $1. Okay, so to make sure the amount is correct. Okay, you have green, green, go for a buy, pull back, refund. A 10 seconds trade would have been a refund as well. So let's increase to 5.5. Third trade amount of the martingale and wait for the green to show up. Gap down, give me green. We have green, go for a buy. Nice push, keep going. Fantastic. So the buyers might be stepping in again. So let's see. Let's see a strong close here. Gap down, give me green. 25. Nope, it's a red. Okay, I'll change pair. Let's see something else. Don't linger too much on a single pair. Okay, this is not appropriate. This is in a beautiful downwards momentum, rejected from the supply area. You have the 200 pushing downwards. The price is below the 200. I think I'm gonna go with the sellers here when I see red. We are already 8.3% up. This is something I also noticed. Okay, if it gives me red, I'll go for a sell. No, it gave me green. I noticed something for whenever we have a losing day, it's always when we reach 8 to 9% in returns. So this might be a coincidence of some sort. However, just an observation. So far, we are doing good, 8.3% up. We've only reached the third trade of the martingale once. Okay, this is green as well, so we don't do anything. Again, we have a strong supply area over here. Sellers kicked in before and they kicked in now. We have an inclining 200 moving average to the downside, and the price is below the 200 moving average. So we have all our indicators to go with the sellers. However, let's see if this breaches the 200. I will change the pair. We have red, we go for the sell, pull back, we have a win. Fantastic. So let's see. The sellers might jump right in again. See, we have beautiful zones over here for sellers kicking in. Let's see. Green, powerful red. I'll go for a sell. Oh, it was a green. Whenever you have a jumping candle, avoid trading it. So I'll increase the amount to 2.3. However, this is nice. You should. I learn from my mistakes, and when you see me do those mistakes, you will be able to spot those situations easier when you go trade yourself using this strategy. Green, so we don't do anything. Let's see. It's rejecting from this area. Topping tail bar near the 200. That's a strong seller's presence. Nope. Beautiful gap up. Give me red. Powerful red. Go for the sell. And that's a loss. Okay. So we switch to 5.5. I'll change pairs. Beautiful downwards momentum. Very nice. Fantastic. Price below the 200. Lots of reds. Do you see how many red candles? One, two green. Red candles, five greens. The ratio is clear, visually clear. So let's go with the sellers here as well. So we are on a third trade amount of the martingale cycle. Okay, we have red, 27, 26, 25. We go for the sell. Let's see if 10 seconds trade would have been a win or a refund. So let's increase the amount to 13. You see, it's becoming It's becoming risky for $100 account. That's why I recommend a minimum of 500 always. So let's see. Green, green, green. We don't do anything. I need a powerful red opening. 5 seconds left. Okay. I have green, green. We don't do anything. Okay, we have red, green, red. We go for sell. Come on, that's it. Come on, a little bit more, and we have a win. So this is the first time we reach the fourth trade amount. We go back to one. We are 12.5% up, which is nice. We still need $8 to reach our daily profit goal, our take profit, so to speak. So let's see. We have red, red, green, red. Go for a sell. You see, I shouldn't have taken this trade. It's a loss. So increase the amount to 2.3 as per the Excel sheet that you should always have on your side. Okay, we have red, 27, 6, 5. We go for a sell. Put back. Come on. That's a win. Beautiful win. A 10-second trade would have been a loss. So we go back to $1. So we are 13.5% up. We still need $6.5 to reach our daily profit goal. So see, now the pair is becoming a little bit flat. We might have a reversal. It might be short term or long term. So we can see that this momentum is slowing down. So we change the pair. You see how simple it is? It's not as complicated as those gurus try to tell you. It's simple, however, it's not easy because of our human nature. This is strong sellers momentum here. Beautiful. I'll go for sells in this case. Okay, we have red, green. We don't trade. Let's wait for the next bar open. Okay, we have green, green. We have red. We go for sell. Beautiful push. And we have a win. So let's wait for the next candle opening. Powerful red, red. We still have red. We go for a sell. Beautiful push. That's nice. So we still have $4.7 to go to reach our take profit goal, which is $20. Let's see what's gonna happen. We have strong red, go for sell, pull back. Okay, so you go back to 2.3 trade amount as we lost the first trade, the previous trade of the cycle. Fibonacci lovers, this is your push, this is your 50% zone. So we might see a rejection from here back to the downside, or if we see sellers kicking in strongly in this area, it will continue pushing down. Okay, you have red, green, red, go for a sell. Beautiful win. We are getting closer to our profit target. Okay, green, red, we go for a sell. That's a loss. Okay, 2.3. We increase the amount as per the Excel sheet. And we wait for the next candle open. We have red, strong red, 26, 25. We go for a sell. Come on. Okay, let me see. A 10 seconds trade would have been a refund or a loss. So increase the amount to 5.5 and wait for the next candle open. Beautiful gap up. Give me red. Give me red. Come on. 26, 25. We go for a sell. Keep on going. Beautiful. That's a win. Okay. I'll keep on going with the sellers in this case. Now we still need around $2 to reach our profit target. Gap up. Give me red. Give me red. Come on. Nope. Oops. Last second. I'll take it. Okay. We have a loss. So we increase the amount to 2.3. I am intentionally taking trades even at the 6th second to show you what could happen, because we are not robots. You might make a mistake. You might enter late or early. Let's see if we can get red here. No, we have green, so we don't trade. If you hear some outside noises, we have a building nearby doing some maintenance. So excuse me for that. I apologize. Let's see if we can get some reds. Okay, we have a red. Strong red, we go for a sell. Come on, that's a shame. See, a 10 seconds expiry would have been a guaranteed win. So increase the amount to 5.5. This thing is becoming flat a little bit, which is dangerous a little bit as well. Red, green, reds. We go for a sell, we have a red. Beautiful push, that's it. We have a win. So we reach our goal, guys. We reached $20. For $100 account, that's 20%. For a $500 account, that's how much in terms of percentage? That's that's 4%. Guys, if you think 4% is a small return on investment, think again. Because where can you invest $500 and get 4% daily return? Where can you do this elsewhere? You can't. You only have binary option stocks and Forex to do so. The banks, if you deposit $500 in a bank account and a savings account, in the Middle East, you will get anything from 0.3% most of the time. In Europe, they might charge you minus, they might charge you 0.3%. And this thing over here is yearly, per year. So if you divide this amount by 365, that's nothing, peanuts. Even worse than peanuts. Now, that being said, I continue trading, removing all the technical analysis factors that I'm using right now. I will trade the strategy as it was suggested to me, as it is advertised by all these gurus over YouTube. So I remove the 200 moving average. I will not do any technical analysis of any kind, and I will trade just by following the first 5 seconds color. My goal is to reach $10. If I make those $10, I will stop. If I lose $10, I will stop as well. However, this day is a winning day for the specific way we are trading strategy. So this is a win. Let's mark this day as a win. So far we have 3 winning days, 3 losing days, and 2 ties. Let's go back and continue. We get our amount back to $1, and let's find another pair. Okay, so let's see what we have here. I will not analyze, I just trade this thing blindly depending on the first. Okay, we have strong sell. This is a very jumpy pair, by the way. 2.3, we increase the amount. Let's see the next signal. We have green, powerful green. Ooh, go for a buy. Lots of momentum. And we have a win. We go back to $1. We have red. Red, we go for a sell. Pull back on us, 2.3, we increase the amount. We wait for the next candle open. Strong seller's momentum. Topping tail bar. Give me a red. Okay. That's it. Ooh, go for a sell. Keep going. Come on. So increase the amount to 5.5. Beautiful. Give me red. Strong red. 28, 7, 6, 5. We go for a sell. Beautiful momentum. We have a win. We go back to $1. Let's see. I think it's gonna give us green right now. Gap down. Give me green. Give me green. Nope. Go for a sell. We have a win. Okay, so let's wait. Rejecting. I think we're gonna get green on the next one. Red. Green. Red. We go for a sell. That's a loss. We increase the trade amount to 2.3. This should have been a win on a 10-second trade. Let's wait. Come on. Gap up. Give me red. That's it. Give me red. And we go for a sell. Shame. We increase the amount to 5.5. Very jumpy pair. Dual bottoming tail bars. Buyers should be kicking in. We have red. Go for the buy. And we have a win. So we still need $4.5 to finish the session. So now I'm trading without any technical analysis. I'm trading the strategy as it was suggested to me and as it is advertised all over YouTube. Okay, strong green. Red, we go for a sell. We have a win. We stick to $1. I'll change the pair since we made $6.5 on this pair already. So I'll change to see something else. So this day is a win. We reached the first goal of $20. So now I'm trading for a goal of an additional $10 using only the color signal. We have a sell, we go for a sell. So I'm not doing any technical analysis of any sort. We have a loss, we go for 2.3. Again, I apologize from the noise. Our neighbors are doing some maintenance. Okay, we have red, powerful red. Nope, nope. I will not take this trade. So if for any reason we go back to $20 in balance, I will stop. And if we reach $30, so $10 in additional, I will stop also. We have red, green, red, and go for a sell. I'm a bit late. Come on, look at this entry point. Very bad entry point. This should have been over here. Very bad entry point. I'll go for a third trade. 5.5. Gap up, give me red. Give me red. That's red. We go for a sell. Keep pushing. Come on. And that's a win. Fantastic. We still have $1.8 to reach the next phase, the next target. I'll change the pair. Let me change pair. Ooh, look at this. Very dangerous. However, I'll take the trades. So I'm on it. Since I'm not doing any sort of analysis, we go for a buy. And we have a win. $1 left. Let's see the next. We have a common rejection area here. Lots of topping tail bars. I need red. Give me red. That's it. Come on. Little bit of a pullback. We go for a buy, for a sell. Come on. That's a loss. Ooh, look at this. A 10-second trades would have been a win. Let's go for 2.3. This was an ideal sell position. However, it didn't have enough expiry time. Let's see. Gap up. Give me a red. Give me a red. No, it's giving me green, so I'll go with the greens. And come on. Look at this as well. A 10-second trade would have been a win. A 10-second expiry would have been a damn win. So I'll increase the amount to 5.5. If we lose this, I will stop and secure the first $20 profit. Lots of sellers momentum. It's giving me green. It's giving me green. I'll go for a buy. Come on. That's obvious. That's obviously going to be a loss. So trading without any sort of technical analysis in our decision-making procedure, we weren't able to reach $10. However, we were very, very close. We reached $9 in profit, doing zero technical analysis. That being said, the day is a winning day, a decent, very decent winning day, because we reached our first goal of $20 without, we never reached the fifth trade amount. We only reached the fourth twice, and the rest of the trades were hovering between the first three trade amounts of the martingale cycle. So that's it. If you have any questions, I'll give you a few minutes. So that's a winning day. So we have, to recap, what's our situation so far? We have 3 winning days, 3 losing days, and 2 tie. We still have tomorrow. If tomorrow is a winning day, so the verdict will be a green light to go and trade this strategy conservatively. If tomorrow is a loss, that's a big fat no. So if you have any questions, the floor is for you guys to ask using the live chat. If not, we will wrap this up. All right, I see no questions. Thank you so much. If you are still watching me on YouTube replay, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions related to binary options, use the comments box. I reply to every single one of you. Thank you, Sarwar. Hello, Sarwar. Thank you so much, and see you tomorrow.